8:35, 110 degrees Saturday night. Where's this shuttle going? Mandalay Bay convention. Oh, it must be for the DEF CON. Probably. Like a temporary thing. They always have good music in that lounge. They got the misters out. This is a super nice swimming pool. This is very, very family friendly, by the way. And it's off strip, free parking, excellent parking. Even if you have an 18-wheeler, you can park it here free. I think more people are finding out about Tuscany. For the longest time, when I would say Tuscany, no one would know what I was talking about. Now, just about everyone would nod their head. Yeah, I know where it is. I know what it is. The rooms are huge. They have 2 beds. You can get 2 queens and a couch and a side chair. Sometimes called the voyeur chair. I know you swingers know what I'm talking about. They call this a lap pool, and it has a hot tub, but it's more of a relaxing pool in my opinion. It's a really good fitness room. Hardly anyone uses it. Got somebody in there asleep. She seems nice. Alright, I'll come back to talk. Coffee shop. They have pizza in there? I think they have pizza in here.
Well, usually I do the work.
Somebody brought their own pizza in there. I thought they would. $3 stadium craps. That's a damn good machine right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They only have 6 seats. Maybe they can get the bigger machine if more people play this, but it looks like it's doing okay. Then they got 3 to 2 blackjack up here in the corner, and $10 double zero roulette. Oh, the 3 to 2 blackjack is $10 right there. $10 roulette. Okay, there's the $5, 3 to 2. They got a 3 to 2, $10, and a 3 to 2, $5. And $3 pop-up craps. This is Saturday. I started this video on, I think, a Friday. I haven't been here that whole time, I promise. They're doing better tonight than they were on Friday. Patina night, $10. Thursdays, receive $10 when you eat it. I don't know what it said, to tell you the truth, it went too fast. Monday, turkey dinner, $15.45. A lot of people come for that. Trust me, I know. I really don't even know a lot of people. I don't know how I would know if they come for turkey. If I knew a lot of people, they would come for turkey on Monday. They wouldn't come on Tuesday because they don't offer it. Frankenstein. $8.99 prime steak and egg starting at 10 p.m. Wow, that's pretty good. Here's the Circa Sportsbook. Next time.